Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack a High Court Pretoria. I don't know what is Dr. Sibanda trying to achieve. You understand? And abantu babhizi bamdonsa lawo ma-socials bathe ilo akakaseke phansi thina. What is he trying to achieve? Like things like uzobubuzana ukuthi kumakhosa kogwamini wakinini. This is Zungu name, guys. Like we are tired. So now, what must happen? Ngoba nosizwe nangu abadayisi, the constable, ukuthi akwazi ukuthola imali iginini. So how is this even helping us? Hey bo, akakaseke lo. You know which game now we are playing with the states, ne? It's the same as la kumakhosonke manje. It's the same as how accused number 1 and 2 basayina beshawa. You remember? And then they signed, and then they confessed, and that's how he did agree to that. Yabona guys, ukuthi kudlaliwe ngathi la. It's the same with Makhonsonke. That's what Advocate Zandile Msholo is arguing. It's not a problem. They can ask him stuff, but he didn't agree on the stuff that's written there. He did not even expect this. Ukininda changed things around like he always does. And you know, Usuratsa is just like, whatever, I don't care. So what must happen? This is admissible. I don't care. I don't give actually 2 hoots about what you are saying right now when I'm sure. It's the same. Django accused number 1 and 2. Naboba, they were forced to confess. Makhosonke agreed to another statement. Manje mase figure it's not the same as what he agreed on and then signed. And then Ukininda wakili. Ukininda fanele abasho guys for defeating the ends of justice. He's done so much. Kanti ngo Absalom guys, didn't we get enough about this guy? You see how I put it yesterday ngathi mina and this morning again ngathi uSibanda is too big for his boots. Yabo le PhD ingenelele kakhulu ekhanda lakhe. He doesn't even know himself. You must just look at him, his demeanor, the way he moves around in court. Like he's got some chips actually on his shoulders. This guy, he's just like lalela, I'm happening mina. Next, and I know that and I'm better than you. This is why at some stage Makhosonke was just like he ended up like about the guys now. Makhosonke was just hot today. Like he lost it. He was just like when me. And ububona ukuthi yazuzomvela amgibela ayo bese ngisaba mina. I was just like Makhosonke. I was like hey ngijwayele. Busy putting words in my mouth here. Uyangifunza uthi uyangifunza amagama ungijwayelele mhlambi. Yo guys ibe ku bad bengithi urathi uzofakaza. I'm sure you must just let me contain myself. Let me calm down. Ngaleso sikhathi uSibanda uyena ubhizi utshela ukuthi no please calm down. Utshela uMakhosonke lost it. Was just like wena wamthethisa like how unayo self abathi uSibanda started off ngenye indlela on Tuesday busy shouting in court. I was just like bro please calm down. Even you like why are you shouting? First day yini hlale kakhulu phansi kade kubaloyi was taking over the courts there asking uGwabini and them the questions. No Absalom, now you don't know yourself. I ngeke guys uSibanda is in another level. He must just calm down because my thing is that also Sibanda is young. He has a long way to go. I'm sure amanye amafema ayambuka. They're just like please wena you do PhD ngesikuthatha ithini. Yabona into kaMakhosonke kanye no Dr. Sibanda ibizo end up ku after school ngizomela after i-court wena Sibanda. I promise you uSibanda akabaza abantu. And he repeated it. Just I'm going to do the video later where he now was talking about nonsense la no hogwash. Those are our things. Tina mina normally ngiyawusebenzisa hogwash vele ngangizwe kumnisi mina. But uRatha wa try ukuthi amkhulumela athi nonsense. Nonsensical. Like I was just like yo yazi uyadelela uSibanda guys like I've never seen in my life. The defense yakugibela kuyena ke Nxumalo was just like when in our 3 years siza like records asikaze silizwe lo gama wahamba olifuna. Ngabona ukuthi vele usho izinto ezishiwa i-defense kusho ukuthi wacrema wathi umnisisele this guy akezwa sho. Sibanda hayi ngizoye ngime lapho guys ngizobe ngenze later le video le uRatha ebusy ethuthana nomshololo knows his stuff Mshololo futhi akazibekile phansi this week She made another comeback. I'm just like, Sissy, what's got into you? What's going on? She's doing so well. So proud of her.
So it just happened by mere coincidence that you are both in and around Carlton Center in Johannesburg.
Into nje eyazenzekela ukuthi nababili ke nibe Carlton Center eJohannesburg.
Yes, by 2017 kwenzeka kanjalo.
Yes, in 2017 it happened like that.
And do you agree with me the manner in which you met Sizwe Zungu in your own version in 2017, it is exactly how you met him in 2014 as well?
I am
putting it to you.
No, I don't know that. I never met him in 2014.
I am putting it to you that you did meet Sizwe Zungu in 2014 and it's exactly how you say you met him in 2017.
Ngithi ke mina kuwena ke wahlangana naye ngo2014 and kwenzeka futhi ke ngale ndlela le owahlangana naye ngayo.
Mina la njengoba la kusho la statementini. I-statement sithi uSizwe Zungu sa-arrange azange arrange ukuthi uSizwe Zungu. Into engicela ukuthi wami nansi Sibanda. Ngicela ukuthi ngikhuluma lapha. Mr. Sibanda, akungabi sengathi ongaphezulu ucindezelo ngaphansi. Mhlawumbe fanele mina lo impilo yami kuwe.
What I'm saying is
ngisho kahle 2014 akazi basefo last minute.
You need to calm down, Mr. Zungu.
No, imbuzo yakho.
It won't help you to point me with fingers and raise your voice. I'm not raising my voice, and then I expect you to do the same.
No, ushukuthini mawuthi mina ngade wanisizwe ngo2014.
I am putting it to you.
Ubeka kimi. Ngakaze kwenzeke.
I am putting it to you. It's evidence before this court.
I-evidence kaSizwe hayi yami. Ngithekwe msungibuza ngento engayazi. Ngibuze ngento engiyaziyo ebhalwe la, eyabhalwa yimi. Hayi le emfihlo ebhalwe engabhalwanga yimi le. And uyayibona even nala ngapha egcineni iyakutshentsha yabhalwe yuvile lento le. Kusho ukuthi umuntu obuye nephepha labuye khona iphepha ozosayinisa mina lento le. Because even into la akusho umqotho kuyiqiniso kula. Idibana phi into zakwakhaya nalokuzana. Ngoba nje into ababeyixoxa etafuleni lapha ecourt, lapha eboardroom. Sixoxwa yibo nguyendo exoxa into kamuzi ukuthi wadubula kukhaya. Nganguphi mina? Kwathiwa yimi wangipha kancane yokuthi yokukhokha. Ngangekho lapho mina.
Can it be interpreted? I'm not sure if Mr. Jonas you'll be able to interpret.
I cannot.
Mr. Jonas, ngicela ukuthi ngichazele. Into eyenzeka lapha uyezwa.
Ngicela ungayijaji ngathi.
Awujaji uyezwa. Into eyenzakalayo uyezwa. Bathi kimi ubaba mina noGwabini nobaba kaGwabini nobaba kaMuzi uyezwa. Sahamba sawukhokhela unkulunkazana umuzi. Ngathi mina angaze nesingle ingxenye yengqobo zabantu bakwaSibiya nabantu bakwaNdwandwe. Angiyazi kwaleyo nto leyo mina.
What they alleged there is that myself, Mr. Zungu, Mr. Sibiya's father, we went to Kwakhaya to go and pay compensation for this. To go and pay compensation for the Ndwandwe families. I have never formed part of such a thing, my lord.
So, this statement is,
hence I'm saying to you that this statement, I don't know what it is that you want me to answer on this statement because I don't know the statement.
Mr. Zungu, you need to calm down. We are going through the statement paragraph by paragraph, line by line.
Ngizocela ke ukuthi moya ngoba ke siyasifunda ke istatement ngale ndlela esibhalwe ngayo. But what I'm asking you is not to force words onto me.
I'm not forcing words to you. It's cross-examination. I must ask you questions.
Angifunza amagama ke ngihloma imibuzo ngifanele ukuthi ngikubuze imibuzo. Is it a question when you say you are putting it to me?
But that's how it happens in court, unfortunately, Mr. Zungu.
Ngeshwa ke indlela ekwenzeka ngayo enkantolo leyo.
Hence
I'm saying that the one that is above or that is on top is suppressing the one that is below or underneath, because that is exactly what happened here with regards to the statement that I was the one that was being suppressed.
There's no one who's suppressing you. Let's proceed.
Okay.
Okay, my lord, I see it's 11:15. Can we then break for tea time?
Yes.